brutish power. Up to 560 horsepower. Moves smoothly and swiftly. Up to 40 kilometers per hour. Full control and perfect precision. Command View 2 cab. Vision for top performance. John Deere Agricultural Management Solutions. Tough and robust. Scraper solution. Exuberant power. Amazing implement performance. The new John Deere 9R Series tractors. Unleash the beast. Are you ready for the roar of a machine with incredible power? The John Deere 9R Series tractor features the new PowerTech PSX 13.5-litre engine, delivering huge doses of stunning horsepower with up to 560 horsepower at rated speed. The secret to this impressive power lies in the engine's dual turbochargers. The new John Deere 9R Series tractors gives you brutish power. Are you ready to move smoothly and swiftly? The transmissions in 9R Series tractors deliver transport speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. The John Deere PowerShift transmission delivers field-proven performance with 18 forward and 6 reverse speeds. And thanks to the new Efficiency Manager, you can easily handle sudden peak loads. During a headland turn, the Efficiency Manager automatically shifts down and reduces engine RPM. Easy operation keeps you running smoothly all day. Like a lion on the hunt, the new John Deere 9R Series adapts instinctively to the conditions. Are you ready for the unerring focus of a natural-born hunter? Step inside the spacious Command View 2 cab and take control. The right-hand command arm console with integrated command center display puts key functions within easy reach. Important AMS applications are operated directly via the display. The intelligent total equipment control automates multiple operating functions. The new John Deere 9R Series gives you total control and perfect precision. Are you ready for the soaring awareness of a natural-born visionary? Boost the quality of your operations with John Deere Agricultural Management Solutions. Like JD Link, features remote monitoring and remote diagnostics. Or AutoTrack for hands-free guidance to reduce overlap by up to 90%. With John Deere's 360-degree lighting, you can see more and work longer. The new John Deere 9R Series gives you unsurpassed eagle-eye vision for top performance. Are you ready for a scraper solution that easily flattens the toughest soil? 9R Scraper Special models are fitted with even more robust heavy-duty parts. The command arm features convenient control of up to 6 high-flow SCVs for efficient operation of tandem scrapers. You can look forward to unprecedented accuracy as well with the John Deere exclusive Auto Load. The Scraper's special version of the new John Deere 9R truly alters the landscape. Are you ready for unobstructed vitality? The new 9R series tractors offer the highest levels of versatility and implement compatibility. The hydraulic system provides 200 bars maximum working pressure and an optional high-flow hydraulic pump delivering an impressive 282 liters per minute. You will benefit from amazing performance with all implements. Choose from multiple drawbar options, a 3-point rear hitch and optional rear PTO. Get the exuberant power of wild horses with the new John Deere 9R. Are you ready for the new John Deere 9R series? 1 part revolution, 1 part evolution, 100% John Deere. Unleash the beast.